was one of the first opportunities I got to test my new ATX 95 as a lens. I set it up on the Lumix GH5S using the TLS APO Micro Four Third mount. Subjects were a beautiful set of feathered friends who had taken refuge and were feeding in a ficus tree nearby where I was standing. It was great with hornbills, blue-throated barbets. There was a nice lesser yellow-naped woodpecker, and of course the beautiful fairy bluebird, spot-winged starlings, and the stars, of course, and the most cooperative, which helped me get a lot of footage and experiment with my new kit, were the thick-billed green pigeons. They were quite stunning in the tree with their fat beaks, and the male with its chestnut red back, and the females which were overall much more green. Right when I was doing this, about an hour into this, and in the nearby tree I spotted a pair of collared falconets. There was a lot of interaction. It was against the sky, but still the Lumix was fantastic as ever, and the Swarovski was easy to shift quickly. They were there for a few minutes, but I could shift the lens quickly, take a little bit of shots, and then zoom in a bit more, and then take some nice preening shots of the male, and that was beautiful. Hope you enjoy the video.